Hello, hello. Hola, mis amigas. ¿Cómo están? I hope you guys are doing so well today, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I want to welcome you guys to my channel, and today's video is going to be super fun. It's one of my all-time videos I love to do. So as you guys can see, my closet is a freaking disaster. It is a mess, and it was just so sad in here. And I think it was about time for me to clean up this space just because everything was all over the place. I had even dirty laundry in there, and all that mess down there was giving me a headache every time I would walk in. And that big mirror right there, I had to put it away. So what I'm going to do today, you guys, is I'm going to go ahead and start my spring cleaning slash decluttering closet today. And I want to thank you guys so much for coming back, and I cannot wait for you guys to tell me what you guys think about this video. And yeah, so let's get started with this video, and I cannot wait, you guys, and thank you guys so much for coming back again, and it means a lot to me. Okay, mis amigas, so what I'm doing right now is I'm going through every little piece that is hanged on my closet, and you know, I did find some empty hangers, so I had to put those to the side. And I was looking through every single piece, and I did find some stuff that were looking really old and inside out, believe it or not. But yeah, I am touching every little thing in here and making sure that whatever is left I will be using, and if not, it needs to go. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, mis amigas, so right here you guys can see my dog joined us today. He wouldn't go, he just loves being around me, which is totally fine. So yeah, so don't mind him, he's just there hanging out. So I'm just going ahead and just taking out this stuff that's Christmas pajamas and just putting it to the side just because it needs to get put away somewhere else. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, and taking all of these this junk right here. It's very sensitive, so I decided to put it to the side too, just because I need to go through every little thing there, and just to make sure that I don't need it before I throw it away. So that's what I'm doing currently right now. Alright guys, so I ordered these, so 2 of the 20s and 2 of the 30s, and I got all of these for free. Good deal on them. I think they were like $2 each. It's a really great deal, and I got all of these for free. So I had to stop for a little bit, stop cleaning my closet, and show you guys. Out of breath because I had to bring all of these in my house, and obviously they were super heavy. And there's the mess over there. All those boxes need to go to the recycle. My daughter is going to take them later. And she also got this toy right here. This was actually a really great deal as well. These are the mini brands. So basically what it is, it's like store, right? And this was only $3. Such an amazing deal. I love deals, and whenever I can find something like this, and her stuff over there is awesome. And yeah, you guys, this is craziness. You guys, I'm probably gonna be selling the other 4 that I don't even need, because this is just too much. Let's go back over there and clean the closet. All right guys, so I am now in my closet. So I started organizing this area right here. I'm gonna go through these stuff because I know there's some stuff that I don't even use, or I do need to start like getting rid of some stuff, because I know I have some jeans that are just really old looking. I think I'm gonna just keep this stuff here just because I keep some stuff right here in these boxes, and I want to keep them there. But yeah, I still need to take out this mirror right here, and possibly this thing that's kind of annoying. I did put my masks there, but they have to go. And like this stuff, this thing here too. And over here on this side, this is basically all of my clothing right here. That's all that I do have. And I think I'm gonna just keep all of these stuff here. And then down here are my shoes. These are all of my pair of shoes that I do own right now, and I'm just gonna go ahead. I just organize them a little bit. I'm gonna keep some of them, but I think I'm gonna get rid of like these right here because I don't even use them. Yeah, organize it right here. And I do have this bin right here that I need to go through. There's some stuff here. I don't know if you guys can see some randomness in there. Don't mind that mess over there. I'll explain that later. But yeah, there's like so many stuff in here that I have, but I think I'm gonna just keep them just because I need them. Okay guys, so down here is where I'm gonna be getting rid of these stuff right here. Not this basket, but like these boots. There's this jacket that I got a thrift store that it didn't fit me. It's a Levi's, but it didn't fit me. There's just these jeans right here from American Eagle. They're just too small on me now. A diffuser. And what else is in here? A Nike sweater that's too small on me. A Gap sweater. It has the tag on it too. It's brand new. And these boots right here, rainbows, they're from J. Crew. These flats right here. And I did find that stuff right there that needs to go into my Christmas bin in the garage. Those are Christmas pajamas. And I do have some more stuff. Please don't mind the mess, because I'm cleaning all of this stuff right here. It needs to get posted on my Poshmark and Mercari. I'm gonna keep this little guy. And I did find this sweater that is super, super hot. It makes me sweat. I'm gonna just get rid of that one as well. And this jacket needs to go into the garage. I've had this jacket, believe it or not, ever since like I was a teenager. And I'm gonna just keep this one just because it's really sentimental. Over here is like an empty bin that I can probably use for the house, and some randomness that needs to get put in the garage, in my closet. And over here, this is more of my important documents. There's my dog, but I need to go through those as well and see what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to be throwing away. And over here is the mess, you guys, because I haven't told you guys yet, but we are finally painting the house. If you guys remember, well, this room is white, but in the hallway it was like kind of like a bluish grayish color. So this is why the mess is here, just easier access for the weekend rather than just taking it to the garage and whatever. But yeah, this is why this mess is here. Okay, mis amigas, hello and welcome to my hallway. So before I end this video, I wanted to show you guys the process of the house. So I know you guys can't see, but these are white walls. I know you guys seen my previous videos and the walls were kind of like a gray bluish. You'll see you guys right here in a little bit, but I am loving the process of it so far. It looks so good and nice and clean. As you guys can see right here, this was the old color. He is still working on it, and overall I love the look of it. By far it looks so good. I just love the color white. I think it just matches with everything, and it just looks, again, super clean. So yeah, so I am so happy, and I hope you guys are liking this color as well. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and I am just loving my house. I am loving how the closet looks like, you guys. I am loving it. It's nice and simple, and I did end up just keeping these right here in this bag right here, but I'm loving it. My masks and then some of my aprons that I need for work are in there. But yeah, it's so cute and simple. I love it. It's spacious. Now I can see what I have, and I absolutely love it. Okay, mis amigas, so just really quickly, I did end up adding this bin right here just because it's kind of like my sell bin, so I did want to add it right there in the closet. And there's not a whole bunch of stuff, but I did want to add it in there. But yeah, that's all of this video, and I really love how my closet turned out. It looked super spacious. Look at it, you guys. I'm loving it so much. Believe me or not, this is all of the clothing that I do own, and I think it's just best for me to have less rather than more, just because that I feel like I overwhelm myself so bad when I have so many stuff. So yeah, this is it, and I really hope you guys enjoy my spring cleaning slash closet And yeah, so thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more future videos. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Have a blessed day, you guys. Thank you guys. Bye.